In the annals of human history, few events have had as profound an impact as the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These devastating acts of war marked the first and only time that nuclear weapons have been used in combat, forever changing the course of human history. The story begins in the early days of World War II. Tensions were mounting as Allied forces sought a swift end to the conflict. Meanwhile, a team of scientists in the United States under the codename Manhattan Project had been working tirelessly to develop a weapon of unprecedented power, the atomic bomb. The Manhattan Project was shrouded in secrecy. Even the Vice President, Harry S. Truman, was unaware of its existence until he assumed the presidency following the death of Franklin D. Roosevelt in April of 1945. Upon learning of the project, Truman faced a monumental decision: to use or not to use this new weapon of mass destruction. On August 6, 1945, the decision was made. The B-29 bomber, Enola Gay, dropped Little Boy, a uranium-based atomic bomb, over the city of Hiroshima. 3 days later, Fat Man, a plutonium-based bomb, was dropped on Nagasaki. In an instant, both cities were leveled. The death toll was staggering, with an estimated 135,000 people killed in Hiroshima and another 70,000 in Nagasaki. The bombings brought about the end of World War II, but the suffering was far from over. In the years that followed, countless survivors known as hibakusha faced a myriad of health complications from radiation sickness, including cancer and birth defects. The physical and psychological scars of this horrific event continue to affect generations of Japanese people. The bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki also marked the dawn of the nuclear age, setting the stage for the Cold War and the subsequent nuclear arms race. The sheer destructive power of nuclear weapons was laid bare for all to see, and the world was forced to confront the stark reality of nuclear warfare. Today, as we reflect on the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, we are reminded of the immense human cost of war and the terrifying potential of nuclear weapons. The bombings served as a harsh lesson in the power of human innovation and the responsibility that comes with it. In summary, the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were pivotal events that not only ended World War II, but also heralded the advent of the nuclear age. The bombings underscored the devastating power of nuclear weapons, brought untold suffering to the Japanese people, and forever changed the way nations approach warfare. As we look back on this dark chapter in human history, we are reminded of the urgent need for peace and disarmament in our increasingly interconnected world.